Hello folks, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all of you. Myself, Dhruv Maheshwari, agenda of this video, a brief discussion about the upcoming IPO of Sri Lotus Developers and Realty. So let's start. Some basic details of the offer. The offer is going to open on 30th of July and it's going to close on 1st of August. The tentative date of allotment is 4th of August and tentative date of listing is on 6th of August. The company is offering 5 crore 28 lakh shares approximately. In totality, the offer is comprises of 792 crore. The price band for which the company is bringing its share is 140 to 150 per share. Some details regarding the lot sizes. The offer is in 3 lot sizes: retail lot, SHNI lot and BHNI lot. So the retail lot is for 100 shares which amounts up to 15,000 rupee per lot. SHNI category company is offering 1400 shares which amounts up to 2 lakh 10,000 rupee. And for BHNI category, the company is offering 6,700 shares which amounts up to 10 lakh 5,000 rupee. The total quota for retail is 35% which amounts 1 lakh 84,000 applications. And for SHNI applications, 1881 applications are reserved. And for BHNI applications, 3762 applications are reserved by the company. So let's see some basic valuations of which the company is bringing this offer. Earning per share. Earning per share pre-IPO is 5.23 rupee per share and earning per share post-IPO is going to be 4.66 per share. So there is a slight fall in earning per share, and PE ratio, which is price to earning ratio pre-IPO, is 28.69 and PE ratio post-IPO is 32.17. That is a slight increase in the PE ratio. Debt to equity is 0.13. That is it's a very nice indicator. The company has very little debt, which means it has no risk of any financial burden. Return on net worth is quite good, 24.39. That is really looking fancy. And price to book value is 7.10. That's a negative factor. Price to book value is actually very higher, so it's a negative point. And return on equity is quite good. So all in all, it's a average type of ratios. So let's see further. Financial position of the company and financial performance of the company. Let's see first of all financial performance of the company. So at 31st March 2025, the company's total income was 15,351.87 million rupee, of which 14,201.46 million rupee comes from its revenue from operations, that is its main business operations. And tax expense was 1052.96 and profit after tax, that is PAT, was actually 3,431.24 and profit before tax was 4,534.43. So earning per share is 17.16, which was 13.77 at 31st March 2024 and at 31st March 2023 it was 11.74. So there's a good increase in earning per share. It's a positive indicator for this IPO, for this company. Before this, we can see the financial position of the company. The financial position of the company is like total assets of the company is 10,127.38 million rupee at 30th September 2024, and it was 7,368.05 million rupee at the end of 31st March 2024. There is a good increase in total assets as well as in total liabilities and equities. So yes, in the current liabilities of company has also increased due to borrowings. It's a very negative factor. Actually, it's not negative, but yes, it's a we can say it's a slight demotivating factor, because company is increase in its debt, that means it may lead to future financial burden. And trade payables, lease liabilities, everything else is normal. Provisions for tax, provision for current tax liabilities, etc., etc. These are all very normal. Not a big issue in all of these. So let's see the SWOT analysis of the company. Some basic strengths. So SWOT analysis means strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. So strengths of the company. Company is a strong brand recognition, experience management, diverse property portfolio. It is diverse properties across all India basis. High debt levels is so let's see its weaknesses. High debt levels, limited geographical presence, and dependence on contractors. In this segment, dependence on contractors is a very normal thing. So after all, it is also a weakness, but it's a normal in this segment. Opportunities, expansion into new markets. The company has has a growth prospect to expand into new markets like in Rajasthan, in Gujarat, and in South South India, as well as growing demand for real estate. The company has a good potential that it can grow further, as there is a expansion in growing demand of real estate. What are the some threats to the company? Economic downturns, regulatory changes, and intense competition is some basic threats to the company. Financial growth metrics. So company is growing its revenue CAGR at a very moderate pace. It's not actually a very good pace, but yes, it's a moderate pace. Return on equity is booming. It's going very good, nicely, and as well as return on capital employed is also going at an average pace. So yes, all in all, it is a, I would say, above average IPO. So finally concluding this video, Sri Lotus offers a compelling growth story with strong profitability metrics as well as high operating margins and premium position in मुंबई's लग्जरी रियल एस्टेट स्पेस. मुंबई के अंदर कंपनी का काफ़ी अच्छा कारोबार चल रहा है. इस वजह से हम कह सकते हैं कि इसका मुंबई में तो कोई मतलब टक्कर नहीं है, बहुत अच्छा काम चल रहा है. एज वेल एज एडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन, इसको काफ़ी बड़े सेलिब्रिटीज से फंडिंग मिल चुकी है. इसने बहुत सारे सेलिब्रिटीज से फंडिंग उठा रखी है, जिसमें से सम ऑफ प्रोमिनेंट आर अक्षय कुमार, अमिताभ बच्चन, etc. For investors having a perspective of short-term listing gains, the GMP suggests positive momentum that may lead to a good listing gain. So that means GMP अभी अच्छी चल रही है. आज की तारीख में जब मैं ये वीडियो बना रहा हूँ तब कंपनी की GMP चल रही है 27%. That means on a lot of 15,000 investors may expect around 25% profits on listing. But that's only GMP. It's not any surety. However, it is not a recommendation to buy or sell. Invest at your own risk. This is only for educational purpose and for you to learn the finance and markets. So don't get it recommendation to buy or sell. After all, at the end, I would say like, share, subscribe, and comment. Learn finance easily and not typically. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. It's Dhruv Maheshwari. Thank you so much.